First thing we want to do is raise the powers that are outside of the parentheses to every factor inside of the parentheses. The power here is 1, so it's not really going to change anything. So that gives us y times z to the third. Let's put that over 1 just because we have a second fraction here, so we just know that we're multiplying two fractions. So this is going to give us x to the second power, because remember, when we raise a power to a power, we multiply their exponents. This is going to give us y to the negative fourth power. This is going to give us 3 to the negative second power, and then z to the negative 4. From here we're going to group using the product rule and the quotient rule. So if we have multiplication, we're going to end up adding their power. So we have y times y to the negative 4 here. So 1 plus negative 4 will give us a negative 3. So y to the negative third power. We have a z. The quotient rule for exponents tells us that we can subtract the powers when we're dividing. So 3 minus a negative 4 would give us a positive 7. So that's z to the seventh power. And then there's no other x's there, so we have x squared and all over 3 to the negative second power. We don't want negative exponents in our answer, so after you combine using the product rule and the quotient rule, the final step is to get rid of the negative exponents, and that's an easy step. All you have to do is, if it's a negative power in the numerator, just bring it down to the denominator and it becomes positive. If it's in the denominator, bring it up to the numerator and the power becomes positive. So what we end up having is 3 squared. I'm going to put this in alphabetical order. Then x to the second, z to the seventh, over, so this y cubed would come down to the bottom, and it's now positive. But we can actually square 3, so that would give us 9x squared z to the seventh over y cubed.